Hello and welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the basics of investing in stocks. If you're new to the world of investing, building a portfolio can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. By following a few simple steps, you can start your journey towards building a portfolio that can help you achieve your financial goals. Step 1. Understand your risk tolerance. The first step in building your portfolio is to understand your risk tolerance. In other words, how much risk are you willing to take on? Investing in stocks can be risky, but it can also be rewarding. If you're comfortable with taking on more risk, you may consider investing in more aggressive stocks. However, if you're risk-averse, you may want to focus on more conservative investments. Step 2. Set your investment goals. The next step is to set your investment goals. What do you want to achieve with your investments? Are you looking to build wealth over the long term, or are you saving for a specific goal like buying a house or paying for college? Your investment goals will help you determine what types of stocks to invest in and how much to invest. Step 3. Do your research. Once you've determined your risk tolerance and investment goals, it's time to start researching stocks. Look for companies that have a strong financial history and a proven track record of success. You may also want to consider investing in companies that align with your personal values or interests. Step 4. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is key when it comes to investing. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, as the saying goes. By investing in a variety of stocks, you can reduce your risk and increase your chances of achieving your investment goals. Look for a mix of large cap, mid cap, and small cap stocks, as well as stocks in different industries. Step 5. Monitor your investments. Finally, it's important to monitor your investments regularly. Keep an eye on your stocks and their performance, and be prepared to make adjustments to your portfolio as needed. Remember, investing is a long-term game, so don't get too caught up in short-term fluctuations. Conclusion. In summary, building a portfolio of stocks can seem daunting, but by understanding your risk tolerance, setting investment goals, doing your research, diversifying your portfolio, and monitoring your investments, you can start your journey towards building a successful portfolio. Thank you for watching, and happy investing.